So this is my first video tutorial on a simple morning makeup routine. I'm sure there's a bunch out there. I'm just sharing what this 35-year-old mom does every morning in 10 minutes before I rush to work. So I'm going to take off my makeup now while I'm talking to you so that I don't take up the whole video, right? And hopefully this video is just about as long as what it's gonna take you, because that's what it takes me every morning. And most of my products are e.l.f. I like to switch my makeup out to not have a bunch of old makeup. So because of that, I try to find inexpensive makeup that does the trick. I attempted to do the Avon, but my face reacted to it. Like my eyes would just not stop watering. So I had to find an alternative, and actually e.l.f. has really helped. So when I wake up in the morning after I take a shower and my face has been washed, ooh, all right, this is what I have. Ooh, still some eyeliner under there because it's smudge proof. So fancy. All right, so this is what my face looks like, plain Jane. And this is my routine. So in the morning when I wake up, I make sure I shower and wash my face. I make sure that I put on some moisturizer that has SPF, right? Because 35, and I want to make sure that I get the least amount of wrinkles. So, really quick, before the kids wake up. See, you can see the shine, right? So after that, ooh, I think I put it away. No, I didn't. Oh yeah, I did. After that, I put on a quick Super Stay Full Coverage Maybelline, right? I get that, dip it in, and go for it. Like I said, I'm just a mom. I don't have best beauty practices sometimes. I'm sure a professional will tell you. But I've had a few friends that have gone through makeup school, and a few tricks that have worked out for me. Alright, now that I have this going on, I go to e.l.f. and do the cream contour palette. And I use my fingers for this, which I know I probably shouldn't. But I go a little bit of a C pattern, right? Same thing. See, you can kind of tell. I go underneath, give myself that jawline, and then back towards the neck. Same thing on this side. And the same thing down at the bottom towards the back of the neck. I'm cachetona, so I have to work on that, right? And then a little bit here, a little bit there. Quick little rubbing, right? Definitely not best practices, right? But we're not here for perfection, we're here for some fun. Then I get my other e.l.f. blush. And I have just a medium-sized brush. You know, a little bit of sparkle. My cheeks, a little bit down the nose, and a little bit in the back to even it out. Fussy, right? Simple. Getting there pretty quick. Then I go into my glitters. I really like shimmery eyeshadow. It's how I roll. So, shimmery eyeshadow, here we go. Just go at the base. I just want a light little glow. Like I said, I'm not trying to go into work looking like J-Lo. I just don't want to look like I rolled that bit. Alright, then I get my e.l.f. No Budge retractable liner. I love these because they last a long time. Like, they won't fade throughout the day. So, here we go. I can't see too well. Go really close to the eyelash lid, to the edge of the eyelash, eyelid. Oh my gosh. I do a really good job when I'm not trying to film myself. So, a quick little eyeliner. And then, mascara. Any kind of mascara you want. I haven't been to the store in a while. So the last one I got, I had to open up the Drew Barrymore flower one that she had. It's pretty good. So, there we go. Al otro lado, other side. Yep. Not too much to be done, right? And really quick, I wish I was a little bit more organized sometimes, but I do a little quick eyebrow. Just the gel, the same thing, the Wow Brow from e.l.f. Otra vez. The e.l.f. is the way to go because then you can just buy a new one every month and not feel like you're breaking your bank. You're investing like, what, $20 a month on makeup, but it's fresh and you don't reuse it and reuse it and reuse it, you know? And I also ordered from the Drew Barrymore the Mix and Matte Lip Duo. And when I feel like it, I throw on some lipstick and then with my fingers, con el dedo, really quick. I'm pretty sure I have to use liner. I could be asking a beauty expert, but done. Little tear right here for the makeup. Just kidding. Done. I think it's been 7 minutes, and that's with the blah blah blah. So I bet you if this was something you wanted to do, and today my hair is dirty hair day, so a bunch of dry shampoo because I have thin hair. I roll it up and clip it, stick out a few pieces on the side. Ooh. Put a little, I haven't put hairspray in, but you put a little bit of hairspray in to keep it where it needs to be, and bada bing, bada boom, done. So, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I have a Talking Life Out page that I just started building too, so let's do this. Follow me, and I will see you next time. Tell me what you want to see. I think the next one's going to be my thin hair and how I manage that, because I'm always looking on YouTube for thin hair tutorials and they never have the problem that I have. So anyway, see ya. Ciao. I'm a sparkle queen and I'm cool with that. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Who's with me? Who else is a sparkle queen? That's right. Sparkle eyes, sparkle eyeliner, sparkle everything and anything. You're my people.